Hey YouTube, this is Michael again, and this time I'm bringing you a combination of a bunch of different figures. This is made with both Scarerox's head and Frostbeast's head, and as you can see, I also added sort of like some spikes coming out of the back. And the feet are fashioned from the Evo XL. The hand, that's pretty sick. And also, I made a few, I had to modify the body a little bit here, and I have two bodies here. There's a big claw on both sides, and that's pretty much all. If you liked it, please subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment and a like below.